It is the big day, the big finale. The Titans of Cricket India and Australia will clash for the ultimate crown, the ODI World Cup trophy at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. A record 140,000 fans will be in attendance to watch the grand fixture, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The men in blue have been inch perfect this tournament, having won all 10 of their games, but they are up against a formidable Australian side which has won 8 on the trot, having lost their first 2 matches. Well, Team India is aiming to win a third World Cup title and a second consecutive trophy at home, having won the World Cup in 2011. Karishma, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast from Ahmedabad outside the Narendra Modi Stadium, where all the action is going to take place today. Karishma, indeed a big day today. All eyes are on this big finale match where the Titans of Cricket India and Australia are going to clash. Bring us the voices of the people.
Well, it is absolute craze here, absolute madness here at the Narendra Modi Stadium. You can see people cheering, people celebrating, people already hoping that India is going to win this World Cup. There are some little fans here as well. Let me come to you first. What do you want to say? Who is your favorite player? Who do you have come for here?
रोहित शर्मा।
क्या कहना चाहोगे रोहित शर्मा को?
जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा, इंडिया ही जीतेगा।
जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा, इंडिया ही जीतेगा. There are some more here as well who have come all the way from USA. They are here to support the Indian team. जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा, यही नारा अंदर लगने वाला है.
अंदर ही लगने वाला और होने भी यही वाला है. आज 2003 का जो है, जो मन पे एक गुमान है ना, वो आज खत्म होने वाला है.
आप क्या कहेंगे? Who is your favorite player? What is the message for the Indian team?
रोहित शर्मा इज माय फेवरेट प्लेयर. उसकी आज कैप्टनसी बहुत जबरदस्त होने वाली है और आज शुभमन गिल का होम ग्राउंड है. शुभमन गिल आज सेंचुरी बनाएंगे और इंडिया जीतेगा और 2003 का अपना बदला आज ऑस्ट्रेलिया से पूरा करेगा.
You know, there are some very interesting fans here as well. We will speak to them as well. You can see he's wearing a T-shirt of another country, but he is supporting the Indian team. We will try and speak to him as well. So, what would you say? What would you say?
All I would say is that the King is going to win it today for this mighty country of India. There are no medals for coming second, so go for it and win it.
Go for it and win it is the message from an England fan for Virat Kohli, the king. There are more fans here. You can see people are dressed up in their India jerseys. The headgear also, the India flag on the forehead as well, on the face as well. The excitement, of course, very, very high for the World Cup. Sir, what are you feeling today? What is your gut feeling saying?
Absolutely, India is going to make it for sure. It was a lost opportunity in 2003. Now India is going to make it happen.
Ma'am, what would you say? What do you think? What's going to happen inside? Do I see an Australia flag as well?
There is, yes. I think it's 50-50. Australia is strong.
Australia is strong, but your outright support for India?
We hope. 11 out of 12. Last one. Let's see.
So yeah, of course, people hoping for a good match, people hoping for a competitive match. Just to once again show you visuals here. As far as I can see, I only see blue here at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Oh, there's a Dhoni fan here as well who has the India flag here, and he's written Dhoni. You want what Dhoni did in 2011? Rohit Sharma.
It's gonna come home.
It's going to come home. That's what.
Yeah, it's going to come home. We'll win it.
It's the last dance and we're gonna win it. India!
You can see the excitement here. More people here who are obviously here to support the Indian team. They have come all the way from Maharashtra. Am I right? How is the Josh right now for the match? What is going to happen? Cheering कैसे होगी टीम इंडिया के लिए? अंदर चौके छक्के जब लगेंगे या विकेट लेंगे तो कैसे आप लोग मोटिवेट करने वाले इंडियन टीम के प्लेयर्स को?
हम ऐसे मोटिवेट करेंगे कि पैट कमिंस के सुनने की क्षमता ही खत्म हो जाए.
कैसे होगी बताइए?
इंडिया इंडिया.
अच्छा, कल पैट कमिंस ने कहा भी था कि हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि हम इंडिया के क्राउड को साइलेंट कर दें. आपको लगता है ये हो सकता है?
नहीं मैडम, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है.
पॉसिबल नहीं है.
अगले जन्म में पैट कमिंस, अगले जन्म.
So you can see the excitement very, very high here. People have come not just from Ahmedabad, from all across the world and continents to watch this big final. We've seen Dhoni fans, Rohit fans, Virat fans. You can see this is the queue from where the fans are going to enter. It's already lining up. Let's try and speak to more people. What do you think? Mohammad Shami, a very good bowler for India and a lot of expectations from him.
Yeah, of course. Now, surely will take more than 5 wickets and India going to win.
He'll take 5 wickets today.
Yeah, of course. The pitch is like that.
It's a slow wicket, but a little slow.
It's okay. After the dew, it will change.
So people are very hopeful that Mohammad Shami is going to create magic once again. And once again, you know, see the Indian flag everywhere you see outside Narendra Modi Stadium. It is only going to be blue. People are ready with their caps, with their jerseys, with their headgear as well. India colors on their faces as well. Let's try and speak to more and more people. You can see posters here as well. We are the champions. There's a photo of the entire Indian team. I can already see the fist pumping going on here, and the match hasn't even started right now. I mean, what are you feeling at this moment? How has it been for you being here, going to watch the final?
Extremely exciting, but still tense because ultimately we need to win. I think the team is in the right place, so we will definitely win today.
And the team is looking good together. All 11 players are looking like playing like a very formidable team. Dominance is what it can define them.
Absolutely. I think that's what we are trying to say. It's the team that will matter today and not one person. But hopefully everybody will shine, and credit to Rahul Dravid as well. We have to say that again and again.
Credit to Rahul Dravid as well. Something that was said by Rohit Sharma in his pre-match conference as well, when he spoke about the big role that Rahul Dravid has played and the freedom that he has given to the players to play their natural game. I am right now surrounded by a sea of blue. I'm myself wearing blue because, of course, in support of the Indian team. But look at here, another line of Indian fans smiling, very, very happy, very, very excited to get inside the stadium. They have the flag in their hand ready, and they are, of course, going to be supporting the Indian team. What is it that you would want to say, ma'am?
They are from USA.
To support the Indian team.
Washington DC.
Go India! Go India!
So that is how the atmosphere here is at the Narendra Modi Stadium, completely electric.